All right, guys, we're here today at 5136 East Evergreen Street, Unit 1051. As you can see, we have the home here right in front of us. And then you can see, how nice and quiet this community is. And then this unit will also come with a covered parking spot, which is actually right there. So you have really close access that's guaranteed right to the front of your home. So you don't have to worry about fighting for a spot or even just being far away. You're going to be right there next to your front door. So once we come up over here, you can see you actually have a nice sliding door right there and a nice little seating area. You can put some little chairs, some tables out here. You get a great view, and you guys can hear just how quiet this community is as well. And then off of your front entry, you're actually going to have a nice storage closet. So you can see you have floor to ceiling shelving in here, tons of space. So that is a nice bonus to have as well. Let's go ahead and lock this back up. And then we'll come back through this way over to your front door. And we'll go ahead and take a step on inside. And as you can see, we step into a very nice size living area, family room, whatever you'd like to call it. I'm going to come over here just to get a little bit of a better angle for you guys. So you can see, fresh paint all throughout the home. Beautiful fresh flooring as well. And just tons of natural light. So it's very early morning and the sun is actually on the opposite side. So you're not going to get a ton of natural light right now. But just imagine, midday, afternoon. This place is going to be lit up with natural light. And it's already nice and light and bright in here, especially with the beautiful paint in here. It makes it feel huge in here, as well as your massive vaulted ceilings up top. So, this area is a huge space. So let's step this way. You'll have a little dining area, as well as your laundry room, which you can see you can easily close away, and it almost isn't even noticeable. Got your hot water heater in here as well. And then behind us, you're going to have your kitchen, which you can see again is a very nice size, all the fresh paint throughout, and all stainless steel appliances. And these are all going to stay with the home. So you don't have to worry about providing your own microwave, your own fridge, anything like that. It's all going to be provided with the home itself. So let's come back this way towards the front door. And you can see we pass a nice little closet here. And we'll step into the first bedroom. So this home is almost set up as like a double primary, because both bedrooms actually have their own private bathroom. So you can see again, nice big windows and tons of natural light coming in. And of course your ceiling fan. And you can see this room comes all the way back over here, which you're going to have a nice little hidden closet with tons of space in there. And then you'll actually have your bathroom back here in the corner. As you can see, a beautiful little vanity area in here. And then of course your nice shower tub combo tucked away behind the door over here. And let's go ahead and step back across the way. So your front door again is going to be right here. And then we'll come back past the kitchen, past your laundry room, into the second bedroom, which this one would probably be considered the primary if you had to pick, just because you get the nice sliding door over there. And again, fresh paint and beautiful flooring all throughout. So not only does it look great, but you're going to have very low maintenance in here as well. So, you don't have to worry about stains, spilling anything on carpet, anything like that, which again is just something, is one less thing that you have to worry about, which is fantastic. And we'll go ahead and set again into the bathroom. Another beautiful vanity in here. It's almost a copy of the first bathroom. So again, a nice shower tub combo in there as well. So that's going to be about it for the tour of this home, guys. If you have any questions, you want to come see for yourself, even apply online, you can do that all through our website, which is rpmphoenixvalley.com. Thank you guys for touring with me.